Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step by step how you can easily use BackLog. BackLog is amazing software for project and code management. Now, I believe after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. And guys, if you're gonna have any questions regards BackLog that you want me to explain deeper, ask it down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make videos on it too. So without further ado, let's start. Now I will click here, try it for free. Now you have simple option to like choose a free trial. So let's say like this one here. And then I'm going to add a full name, email address, I will copy. If you already created your account, just wait for us further and space ID like this. Try BackLog for free. Now we will just wait until it loads and then we are going to continue. And voila, here we are. Okay. So first thing first, I'm going to cancel all of these that I see. And then I'm going to click here, just cancel everything guys, and I will show you how we can do everything. So you will get also the verification email here, that all the space URL and your email. And now let's just start. So the first thing first, what we're going to do, what we can find here is a dashboard. This is the first thing that you would find. You would find the projects here, the updates, the issues, and BackLog news. Then next to the dashboard are projects, and we're going to learn how to add a project, recently viewed, filters, or what you can do is you can simply also add an issue, project, or user directly here. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is simply click here, add a project. So let's click here together. Now project name, let's say this is going to be called a YouTube channel project. Project key. Project key is a unique identifier for a project. A short, concise key is recommended. So let's get this into you like this. And then you got also advanced settings here. So I recommend like checking this app. Formatting rules, if you need that. You can also enable subtasking. I'm going to enable that. I'm going to zoom in more so you can see it better. Then you can consider resolved and statuses after closed. You can enable wiki. You can enable git and subversion. And you can also allow project administrators to manage each other. Now I will click submit. And voila, here we have it. So, okay. Then you're directly going to be in project settings where you can see like the members here. And what you can do is you can like add a member. Then themes here, the project icon, the project theme, issue types. You're gonna have the tasks, bug, request, other. So you can edit this here, or you can like move them. Then statuses, again, open, in progress, resolved, closed. You can choose that and change that as much as you want. Categories, this is another step. You can add a category. And version milestones, again, you can add it here. And then you have integrations so that you can connect with BackLog. Now, when I'm in home in my project, what I can find here, I can find on the right side status. First thing first, what we're going to do, we're going to add an issue. And also on the top right, you can see invite users. So you can simply invite users if you want to, or you can simply add existing users. Now, under home, you're gonna find add issue. So let's click there. And then you have options, all right? So you can simply add a bug, a task, request, or other. Of course, as we mentioned, you can simply edit that in your settings. So you can change what do you want to add. So if you want to actually add, let's say a task. So let's say I'm going to add a task. need to have a meeting. Right then, what we can find here, we're gonna find and write a description. Notify a colleague. Then you see things as a status, as a priority if it's a high, normal, low. Then category. We found together the category settings in project settings that you can add here. Then you're gonna see also the start date. Let's say this is going to be for tomorrow. Estimated hours. Let's say this is going to be 5. Then assignee. Now, if you're gonna have guys more people here and you can assign, you would find it right here. Then milestone. Then you would find also the version here and due date. Let's say it's going to be under Saturday and actually hours. So let's say 1 hour. Then you can simply drag and drop files. And when you have it, what I'm going to do, I can simply click add. So issue has been added. So when I'm going to click here on the issues under add issue, I can find my issue right here. In the issues, you can see everything here. You can open the issue in the dialog. Then you can copy. You can do the batch update. You can go also and click on it. And then what you can do is like, okay, this is like the issue that we have. What I can do is go to edit, or I can also click here to subtasking under the issue and child issue. So again, this is literally the same thing, but what I'm going to do is go into the subtask, the sub issue for a sub bug, subtask, sub request, sub other for the main task. So this is what we can change and what we can actually edit and how we can operate with it. So I can simply add a bug or request. So let's say bug, and subject is going to be like YouTube video bug that needs to be changed. I can simply add a description here. Then you see that I got priority here, assignee, category, milestone, version. And then I would simply click add, right? And then voila, need to have a meeting and YouTube video bug that needs to be changed. So this is pretty much it, how we can do it and how we can work with it. And now when you have it, and I'm going to click again the issues here, see, need to have a meeting, and you see that this is the subtask of the main task. And priority, all of these are normal priorities, and you can see the start date, due date. Now, if you didn't understand really well the issues, let me down below in the comments, guys, and I will try to teach you much better. Now, when you have the issues here, I'm going to click on a board. That's the next step. When I'm going to click on the board, what we can find here, we can see the inboard, the issues here, if it's a task, if it's a bug, if it's other. And what you can do is I'm just going to move it, like let's say this is going to be resolved and this is going to be in progress. So this is pretty much it, how the Kanban board works. And this is how you can move with it. Of course, you can work only in Kanban. You can completely skip these 2 steps that you would add just issues here. Now under board, it's a Gantt chart. And in a Gantt chart, you can find how it actually works, and you can see the need to have a meeting. So you would find it here. Now, when we go further, you can also change the span here of 2 months or 3 months, the status, the grouping. Like the Gantt chart is pretty simple to understand. Now the wiki. Wiki, welcome to your wiki. And you can simply add all the necessary stuff for your project here, or what is important. And then the last thing are files. In files, you can add files for your team, like really important stuff to know. And that's pretty much it, how it works. So yeah, guys, if you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some guidance and support. Like using BackLog is amazing software and I really like it. And you're gonna have also like other products as Kakao or TypeTalk. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can add an issue for your project. Then how you can add a project. We learned that, and also how you can simply add a user. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.